Ask yourself right now, what's holding you back?
What holds you back? What holds you back? Were you a better man today than you were yesterday? Did you give more today than you did yesterday?
Some of y'all, you got it in your DNA. You just been quick your whole life. You fast. Some of y'all think y'all beast, and you're not a beast, you're just a winner.
There's a difference between saying beast mode and activating beast mode. Think about that. There's a difference between saying beast mode and making the choice on a daily basis, one day at a time, 6 seconds of play, one rep at a time to activate beast mode. There's a difference.
Your talent is actually your vulnerability. You're a Bama ball player.
Edit your life. What's most important to you? When you do that exercise with yourself, things become clear rather quickly. You know, if you want to play at an excellent level, if you want to do something excellent, you have to be excellent all the time. It's a way of life. It's not just I show up on Monday and be excellent. No, it don't work that way. Right? You got to be excellent across the board. Right? And that's how you build habits. When excellence becomes a habit, then that's just who you are.